today, we'll be looking at a new terminal app from Microsoft. We're also going to check out a paper from Samsung AI, where they've been animating still photographs using neural networks. And finally, we're going to check out a video I found on how to improve your pandas coding in Python. Let's jump straight in with this new terminal from Microsoft. So they've released this new command line app for Windows, and they're calling it Windows Terminal. And it's designed to be the new hub for all of your PowerShell, your CMD, even your Linux subsystems. And they're making it really great for developers who want to, tweak bits of the app, add certain bits of customization like themes. I even managed to find the GitHub repo, which is at github.com/Microsoft/terminal. And actually, the advertising video that Microsoft have released is quite gimmicky if you want to go and watch it, but actually I think it could be pretty cool. So Datran found this paper by Samsung AI where they've used convolutional neural networks to animate even a single still photograph. And if you navigate to the Cornell University page, you don't even need an academic license. You can just grab yourself a copy of the paper and have a read. So I thought that was pretty cool. Now, if you've been using Python for your data science, you've almost certainly been using pandas, but that's not to say you've been using it in the most optimized way. And I'm the first one to admit that I could absolutely improve some of the ways in which I use pandas. And I came across this video that was just published a couple of weeks ago, and it's a really, really useful way to improve the way in which you use pandas. And it was actually featured at PyCon in Cleveland just last month. So I fully recommend checking out, even if you're kind of beginner or probably even intermediate level, it's absolutely perfect.